Auzu billahi mineşşeytanirracim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most beneficent, the most merciful. This beautiful series of lectures about one and only one God of this universe is divided into three categories. First category, in this we would like to prove that all humans have same God. Number two, second category, all humans and all living creatures have same God. Then we'd like to move on to the third category, that all living and all non-living things have same God. It is going to be in a sequence. Then here we take case first, that only one God created all humans by his power. Now, what are the scientific explanations? There are so many scientific explanations. We will describe them one by one, but here let us take genetic code as our first explanation with regard to this topic, wherein we would prove that there is only one God. He created all the living and non-living creatures in this universe, and he is the master, he is the king of all this sovereignty. All humans have chromosomes. Chromosomes possess genes, and genes regulate our body and production of proteins through a central dogma. First there is replication, then there is transcription, then there is translation. Genes contain nitrogenous bases, purines, pyrimidines, adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine, uracil, pentose sugar and phosphate group, making a nucleotide. Why is this same structure of nucleotides in all humans? It is because God is same of all of us. If many gods were there in this universe, there would have been differences in the genetic makeup. Some man of USA possessing sulfate group, some man of China possessing nitrate group, some man of Arab with oxide group, etc., instead of phosphate group, which is universally present in all the human beings. This is the contradiction method of mathematical reasoning. We are trying to apply this here, but this is not so in nucleotides. Actually, all possess same basic formula. That is, there is first pentose sugar, phosphate group, nitrogenous bases, making the nucleotide same in all the humans. That is why some same drugs are used for all diseases throughout the world, because genetic makeup is same diseases are there, same pathogenesis, same mechanism, same clinical features, same management or therapy. Why? Why is this so? Because God is only one. Now let us come to our basic topic, genetic code. It is the sequence of nucleotides, which are three in number, that code for similar amino acids during translation, when codon-anticodon locking take place to form the ordered protein as per guidelines of specific gene, which is itself in the control of one God. There are proofreaders which keep an eye on genes, and there are inhibitors. There are inhibitory controls like P53, etc. This is the guardian of our genome. If this P53 becomes inactive, then cancer occurs. See how perfect our God is. He controls all genes of all humans at the same time. Such is the power of our God, then why mutations take place? The answer is that God wants to tell us that just a single gene, He wants to tell us that just a single gene defect occurs or chromosomal anomaly occurs. See the consequences like sickle cell disease, Down syndrome, PKU, phenylketonuria, hemophilia, thalassemia. Uh, he wants us to show His mercy of His upon us by giving us life, then controlling our genes, then and not letting mutations to take place. But if we destroy ourselves with our own hands, then what can He do? Like people, they drink alcohol and it causes cirrhosis of the liver, malabsorption syndrome, addiction, liver failure, decompensated liver failure, anemia. Similarly, cigarette smoking, it is the cause of every cancer. It causes mutations. Then AIDS, keeping many sexual partners cause destruction of, it causes degeneration of CD4 T cell count, and that causes the immunocompromised state, and then so many opportunistic diseases and cancers they occur in this patient, AIDS patient, like Kaposi sarcoma, etc. Similarly, eating haram ingredients, they cause swine flu, coronavirus, that is rapidly spreading throughout the globe. It has become now the pandemic. Who told us to do these things? It is we who are responsible for our own destruction. It follows that we should obey God, we should be thankful to Him, and be friends with Him so that He may complete His favor on us. Now, as per the DNA structure, it is helical structure, double-stranded, and then transcription takes place, mRNA is formed, then protein is formed through translation. There are codons like GAG, these are the initial codons, these are the initial nucleotides, the sequence of these nucleotides. This UG and GAG, it is universal, it is present in every human being, no matter with which religion he belongs to. He has this initial codon UG and GAG, and this initial codon it codes for methionine. And there are terminal codons that also code for the similar amino acids. Why is this so? Same amino acid, same codons code for same amino acids. Why is this so? This is because our God is one. He has kept signs in our genes hidden. But we ignore these signs. We do not